Man, it is hot out here. You know, we have 155 buses that are assigned to transport students to and from school each day. But only 105 of those buses are equipped with air conditioning. Wow. That means there are quite a few kids that'll ride the bus this school year while it's this hot to and from school. But we've been addressing that, and hopefully we'll be able to continue addressing that. What I have behind me here is a fleet of 14 vehicles that we just received. In addition to the 105 buses that are equipped with air conditioning, we will be adding these buses to the routes starting this upcoming Monday. Now, we've been fortunate to be able to purchase buses over the 6 years that I've been here at a rate of about 10 buses per year. Thanks to general funds and thanks to the ESPLOST, we've had the funding to do that. Now, that means with 14 buses being added to the fleet, we're going to be right around 90 buses that will still be rolling without air conditioning. But once again, as long as we can keep purchasing those, we plan to equip every single bus in the district with air conditioning. Now, you might ask, why not just do it all in one fell swoop? Purchase 90 more air-conditioned buses and take care of the entire fleet. Good question. Not only are finances a challenge there, but we're also wanting to be considerate of future administrations and future boards when it comes to replacement cycles and replacement times. So typically you're going to operate a school bus anywhere from 10 to 15 years with a decent replacement cycle. So when it's time to replace, it is a much bigger challenge to replace 90 buses as opposed to replacing 10. Once again, these are propane buses. They are operating on fuel that costs on average about $1 less per gallon than your normal diesel. They are much quieter. They are much more quiet. They are cleaner burning, lower emissions, and they cost less to maintain over the years than a diesel school bus.